Hello, friends. In a world full of natural wonders, sometimes things happen that make us admire and wonder. And here we have an incredibly rare albino manta ray caught on camera. Manta ray is also known as the giant sea devil, but this instance is just out of the ordinary. Its completely white body and wings create an impression of incredible tenderness and beauty. The manta ray is the largest species among the stingrays. Her body width can reach an astounding 7 meters, and her weight is up to 2 tons. These majestic creatures swim in the oceans like winged angels underwater.